Did you know that you can make a lot of money for watching YouTube videos? Well, not just YouTube videos, but any video really. You could make a lot of money. Well, if you didn't know that, today I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money for simply watching videos. It's absolutely free to do. You don't have to worry about paying or signing up with money. There's no registration fees or anything like that. This is 100% free. And what I love about this is that you can do this from everywhere in the world. It's available worldwide, so whether you're in Africa, you can do this, in America or South America or Asia or Australia or Europe, anywhere you can do this. I'm going to show you exactly the step-by-step procedure and explain to you how it works and how you can actually make like $75 or even $100 a day just by watching videos. So all you need to do is stay on this video all the way to the end. Don't skip any part. I don't want you to miss an important step. I'll be explaining everything to you, so just watch all the way to the end. Now before I show you everything, just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button, that subscribe button, just click on it. I would really appreciate it. Turn on all post notifications so that anytime I do have a new video, you'll be able to watch it immediately. So, the number one app I want to show you today is called App Trailers. This app is actually available on Google Play and the App Store. It's App Trailers, which means that it's a place where you'll be provided with trailers of videos, which means that there are different kinds of videos here that they'll be showing you. For example, there'll be YouTube videos that people will post on this application, and anytime you watch a video, you'll get points. Now every time you get points, you can convert the points into money, and then you can withdraw that money via PayPal. So all you need to do is go and look for App Trailers on the App Store or the Play Store. This is the logo over here, and there will be all kinds of videos that you can watch from YouTube, all kinds of videos. As you know, YouTubers, they like to get views, so the more views they get, the more it benefits them. So they're willing to advertise their videos on these applications and actually pay you to watch their videos. So that's what I want to show you today. That's the first application. The second application I need you to know is over here. It's called TV2. As you can see here, TV2 watch and earn rewards. So TV2 is basically a similar kind of platform, but they actually pay you even more. You get a lot of money over here. Somebody already earned 50,446 over here, and you know, it's a great opportunity. For example, Unbox Therapy is a great YouTube channel. This is a YouTuber who promotes things about computers, the latest technology and gadgets, laptops, all kinds of things, with many millions of subscribers, and he's willing to pay you to actually just watch one of his videos, and he'll pay you for that. So every time you watch the video, you'll get points, and the more points you get, the more money you make. So you can watch and watch and watch the video. You can rewatch the videos, because the more views they get, the better it is for them. So this is money you can be making from the toilet, from your bedroom. You can be walking and you can do this. You can be in the car and you can do this. Just before you sleep, you can actually do this. It's a great opportunity for you. It doesn't take time, and it's really fun to do as well, because we always watch videos, but we watch it for fun. How about making money by watching these videos? Sounds nice, right? Well, it is. The last application I want to show you is Viggle. It's over here, Viggle. This is the logo over here. Viggle can be found on the Play Store and the App Store as well. It's basically the same thing. As you can see here, earn perk points by watching live TV. So they'll be giving you like shows, different kinds of shows, maybe from Netflix or, you know, different shows, and they just want you to watch them. They are not long, they're just short clips that they want you to watch, and the more you watch, the more points you get, and the more points you get, the more money it is, because when you convert the money, you can get a lot. If you convert the points, you'll get a lot of money. Basically, that's what you need to know. So I would advise you to try all these 3 apps. It's Viggle, TV2, App Trailers. From my personal opinion, what pays the most is TV2, because there are really big YouTubers that advertise over here. For example, this guy over here, Unbox Therapy. If you go on YouTube right now and you check Unbox Therapy, you'll see how many millions of subscribers there are. So he does have the money to promote his video over here, and there's a lot of money to be made. So these are the 3 applications I want to show you today. So I just want you to know that you don't have to be at home with no money or be broke or struggle. You don't need to be stuck because maybe there's a lockdown or anything like that happening in your country. This is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're from. You know, people are always looking for more views on their videos, and they want to pay you to watch the videos. So just watch the videos and just earn the money. And you can watch the videos all day if that's what you have to do to make the money. Sit at home and watch these videos. Keep watching and watching and watching. Just watch and watch all the way to the evening. Just watch more videos. And there are so many different categories of videos, and you can make a lot of points and convert them to money and go and buy yourself something nice. Well, that's what I wanted to show you today. It's Viggle over here. Viggle. This is the logo. TV2, as you can see over here, this is TV2, this is the logo, and App Trailers. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button. It's absolutely free. Trust me, you know it's absolutely free. And if you're a YouTuber yourself, you know that when you support someone, it's always great to know that you can support someone, and definitely someone's going to support you. That's just the way YouTube works. So I would really appreciate the support, and I hope people support you too. Thank you so much. Cheers.